Yeah, if you take the case of cancer, which is what a lot of women will be concerned about, in the first trimester, that is in the first 12 weeks of pregnancy, chemotherapy is specifically contraindicated, and a woman cannot get chemotherapy because of the risk of damage to the developing embryo, because that's the time of most rapid change. Later in pregnancy then, chemotherapy can be given, some chemotherapy, not all, and radiotherapy is contraindicated. Some other forms of investigation like CT scanning, because it uses radiation, is contraindicated in pregnancy. So it impacts the care of women with cancer in a significant degree. Women can be treated for cancer, breast cancer being one of the commonest obviously during that age group of women. And they can have surgery, but is somewhat limited by the fact of being pregnant. There's also the risk of premature birth. So it impacts it in many ways. And a woman who's undergoing chemotherapy, who happens to find herself pregnant, say at 6 weeks or whatever, is seriously compromised. She cannot have a termination of pregnancy in this country. Other conditions such as, say, severe diabetes, or women with cystic fibrosis or whatever, and very complicated cardiac conditions. And a lot of women people are surviving now because of improvements in intensive care and surgery in the newborn period for children born with very complex conditions who would never have got pregnant, who would never have survived in the past. And so they are now presenting, and pregnancy is getting more and more complex, the needs are getting more complex. So a pregnancy where the physiological changes, the blood volume, for example, the volume of blood in a woman's system increases dramatically during the course of pregnancy from early on. It's a very dynamic situation. There are big changes in blood pressure and so on. So it can have a huge impact on the health of a woman, but not making it fatal.